This is the story of my crazy treasure hunt for the long-lost GoPro. It was my last and basically only day to enjoy the beach after many rainy and cloudy days in Miami, and I decided to take my GoPro out for a swim. There was a sandbar way out, so I swam out past the deep end to get to it. It was about 100 feet out or so. The water was crystal clear, and I put the GoPro down facing up so I could swim over it. Even though it looked really cool, it was not the best idea. When I swam over it, I must have swam further than I thought, and I lost it. I was freaking out for at least 20 minutes, scouring the ocean floor trying to find it. I even opened my eyes underwater, but no luck. I go out and walk around to see if anyone had goggles or a snorkel or something. No luck. I went back in and searched more. There was no way I could find it. I don't even know if I'm searching the right area. I got out again and asked the lifeguard if they had a miscellaneous pair of goggles I could use. No luck. So back in I went. My arms were tired and I was out of breath from constantly diving under the water. I basically gave up. Then I figured, maybe I should just run to the store and get a snorkel and goggles. It can't be more than $10. So I ran to the store. The only goggles and snorkel they had were $32, and that had to be at least 30 minutes later after I first dropped it. So I bought it and went back to the beach and tried to go out where I believed it was. It was somewhere out past the deep part on the sandbar, but with the ocean current moving, the GoPro could have been anywhere. I searched for another 20 minutes. At this point, I was just trying to enjoy the moment and see clearly underwater. I found shells, rocks, sticks, but no GoPro. Until almost an hour later, I turned my head and saw a big black square in the distance, swam up to it, and there it was.
Oh my god. That was like an hour looking for you. I even went to the store and spent $30 on this snorkel here so I could find this camera. And I cannot believe I found it. Look how far out I am.
The moral of the story? Never give up.